Good morning, children. Open EVS book, lesson 7. Lesson name is Air and Water. See here, make picture like this for the activities which are good for us and like this for those which are harmful. You can see this picture is harmful, giving pollution. So we will make picture like this. This is a good work. It is healthy work, so you will do like this, and this is a harmful activity, so we will make picture like this, and this activity you will write on, think and write. Lesson is air and water. In this lesson we will know about this. Air and water are our basic needs. They are necessary for us to stay alive. Plants and animals also cannot live without them. Let us learn more about them below. Children, air and water both are basic and necessary thing for everybody. Plant and animals, all living beings need air and water. Now we will know about air first. Air is present all around us. We cannot see air. We can only feel it. We need fresh air to breathe. Plants need air to make their food. Air is used in various other activities such as, children, air is around us. You can't see air, you can only feel air, and it is very necessary for living beings to live. Plants are also need of air. Plants are also can't live without air. Various uses of air. Now we will know. See here. You can see to inflate balloons, to inflate tires, and to fly kites. Without air you can't do these activities. Some activities such as burning things, moving vehicles, etc. emit smoke. This smoke makes the air impure. This is called air pollution. Air pollution is harmful for our health. Children, burning things, moving vehicles, spreading smoke are the main reason of pollution. These activities impure the air and it is harmful for our health. And this is called air pollution. These activities spoil the air. Air pollution is harmful for our health. It is harmful for every person, for all living things. So to make the air pure, we should plant so much trees. See here, we should plant trees and avoid burning things to make the air fresh. To keep air fresh, we should avoid burning of many things, and we should plant air to pure the air. That is very necessary. Now we will know about water. Not only our human beings, water is essential for plants and animals as well. We need water in number of daily activities such as drinking, bathing, cooking, etc. Plants need water to make their food and grow. Plants like lotus and water lily grow in water. Animals need water to drink and bath. Some animals like fish, whale, octopus, etc. live in water. Children, you can see water is very necessary for all living beings, just like animals, plants, human also, and there is a lot of use of water in daily life, daily activities such as drinking, bathing, cooking, giving water to plants, and plants also make their food, and water help to grow plants also. And in plants, in water you can see, here you can see, in water many plants grow there. Lotus, lily grow in water, they develop in water. Animals also need water to drink and bath, just like human. Animals also drink water. Animals can bath there. Some animals like fish, whale, octopus, etc. You are knowing already. Many animals live in water. It's like fish, whale, octopus, snake, frog. Lot of animals live in water, so it is very necessary for all living beings. We get water from rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. From where do you get water? Get water from rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. They are called water bodies. Which are water bodies? Rivers, lakes, ponds, ocean also are water bodies. Many activities such as dumping of garbage, drainage of sewage, bathing of animals in water bodies make water polluted. This is called water pollution. Such water is not fit for drinking. We call it polluted water. Children, these are water bodies, rivers, lakes, ponds. But nowadays they are being dirty. How they are being dirty? Dumping of garbage means we are throwing their garbage in water. Lakes, rivers, spoil water, and animals are bathing there. We are also responsible for it. In these ways, water is being polluted. That is water pollution. And this type of water is not fit for drinking. It is very harmful for our health. So we can't polluted water. We call it polluted water. When water will spoil by these activities, just like dumping of garbage, drainage of sewage, bathing of animals. These activities are spoiling water. That is called water pollution. You can see here, right activities which cause air pollution. This is burning things, driving vehicle, etc. Water pollution, causes of water pollution, dumping of garbage, drainage of sewage, etc. We will write in this way. Mother Nature has blessed us with clean air and water. We must use them judiciously and save them. You can see two pictures are here. What should we do? This is a good activity. This girl is planting here some plant. We will tick here. This is not good. We will cross here. Read this lesson carefully. Thank you.